Good evening, setters. Thank you so much for the engagement on our Discord group. So I will give you what I think likely is going to happen on S&P 500. Yes, absolutely correct that we have a low test bar. One moment, let me just get these in a correct color. Yep, we have a low test bar developing at the moment, but we are from a bullish to we have a downtrend. Okay, that's the cycle now. All right, going back down here. So where do I think price likely to go to? Yes, I still would put my money to go long to buy, but that is only the case that I have a strong support level on S&P 500. The other instruments such as Forex, if they are on a downtrend, I'm probably very reluctant to trade reversal. But on S&P 500, if you know me longer, then I am a long-term bull. Whatever opportunity there is, I would like to buy. So I see price potentially going back to the 4,400 area, and that would be it. That will be me done and dusted. So how do I get long from this? Let me just show you. The only way to do that is to use smaller time frame during the opening hours. I can see a level developing right here. So a retest, come back, stop loss here, and then take it long there. So probably 1.5 to 1, something like that. But because it is a bearish market, I needed to see all the other indices and other commodity do similar things for me to consider to take the trade or keep on the trade. For beginner traders, I do not recommend to take this trade, but if you're more advanced, suit yourself, at your own risk, at your own reward. Okay, we'll release this video after Luca's webinar tomorrow, so this video will be broadcast probably 8 a.m. So we'll see you guys in the afternoon if you have any question. Thank you so much.